Hi, it's Michael here. I hope everyone is very, very well and very, very safe and sound today. We have another software review for you, and it is called Profitz Buddy. Now, Profitz Buddy, what it does, it's very, very clever. It gets you free YouTube traffic from the most popular YouTube videos, and these can all be in your niche. So if you have a certain niche that you do extremely well in, or a niche that you're interested in, or whatever is your chosen niche, then you can get tons and tons and tons of traffic from YouTube, all legal and ethically above board. Now, people might not realize how enormous YouTube is, but there's some massive search engines out there like Google and Yahoo, obviously. But then there's other businesses that are search engines as well, believe it or not, the likes of Amazon and eBay, and of course Google, and of course YouTube. Where's my brain this morning? Now YouTube, my YouTube channel is connected to my TV, so I can watch YouTube all of the time, and it is quite incredible how many videos you put in. And I think it was yesterday or the day before, one of my sons came in and he said, "Dad, I've just seen an interesting stat regarding YouTube." And I said, "Okay, what is that?" He said, "It would take you 1 billion years to watch all of the videos on YouTube." I was like, "What?" And he went, "Yeah, there's that many videos." I said, "Well, how many are uploaded daily?" He said, 300,000. 300,000 videos uploaded daily to YouTube. So the amount of traffic is enormous. So what Profitz Buddy does for you, it legally steals free buyer traffic overnight from viral videos in just 3 clicks. So you get masses of traffic, massive profits, because traffic is the be all and end all of everything online. If you get tons of traffic, you are going to make tons and tons of sales. It's very quick and easy to use, and it's for beginners as well. So if you don't have any technical knowledge, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, which I've took in mind with the bonuses for this promo today, then this is very simple and very easy for you to use. So here's a little secret that you may not know. YouTube has over 2 billion users and 300,000 videos are uploaded daily, which is quite incredible. More people watch more than 1 billion hours of videos every single day. Now, this is something you can take massive advantage of with this software, because it is able to get you tons of traffic from popular videos, which is amazing. And there's a little stat here. If you have a look, 82% of internet traffic will be video by 2022. Now, that is a rise of 15 times more than in 2017. And the main reason for that is this, which I shall pull out my pocket here, which is everyone has a smartphone now. And smartphones are constantly updated, constantly coming out. I think mine is mine's a Huawei, a Chinese one. I got it for the fantastic camera because I love taking photographs. And everyone has a smartphone in their pocket. So everyone has a video camera in their pocket. So people upload things constantly all the time, which go viral right across the internet, not just on YouTube, but on loads and loads of other platforms. And stuff eventually ends up on YouTube. And there's tons of learning facilities on YouTube. All of the video aspects of absolutely everything seem to end up on YouTube. It is quite amazing how popular the platform actually is. And now this software, Profitz Buddy, can actually find various videos that are in your niche, and there's a way that the software actually gets traffic from all of those popular videos directly to your links, and it can be any video and any link, which is absolutely brilliant. So the software and how it works. Okay, let's have a look at this and how it actually works. So are you legally stealing from others on video? It's not illegal what is being done, so don't worry about that. It's all ethically completely above board, but people do make a few mistakes on YouTube, which is what this is all about. So what the software will do is it'll find you a very popular video, although it can be done just with any video. It'll find you a very popular video, and you can find a domain that has gone out of date. So if you buy the domain for, say, $1, then you get all of that traffic, which is incredible, and the software will find you all of these videos. But there's another way it can do it as well. You can actually just put a comment in, put a link in your comment on these popular videos as well, and it will actually get all the traffic coming through from that video to all of your offers as well. So there's a few different things that this does, which is absolutely brilliant. It's a great little loophole that they have found to be able to get you tons and tons and tons of traffic. So does it work for us? It says here it automatically works, no problem whatsoever. Instead of trying to find YouTube videos that have expired in the domains in the description themselves, that is what the software actually does. We created an app that automates all the work and takes it away from you, so you don't have to search all of these videos out to find out which ones are going to be going out of date, which ones actually it would take you forever, wouldn't it really? You wouldn't actually know how to do that. And what it does, it sifts through millions of videos, finding the best ones with expired domains, and these sometimes can have millions of views. You know, even if they've got thousands of views, there's no reason why you shouldn't tap into that, because imagine if you are getting 5,000 people coming to your website every day. That would be absolutely massive. That's literally millions of people a year. You've got to look at a little bit long term, and this could be absolutely brilliant for you. So there's no creating videos, there's no editing videos, there's no hard work, and you can have as much traffic as you want. Now, this is normally the question that I get with things to do with bringing things in from platforms like this. People say, oh, well, I can't create, I don't know anything about video, they're not comfortable in front of camera or anything like that. There's nothing like that that's needed. It's been built for beginners. It's 100% legal and ethical. It gets traffic that converts into sales. There's no uploading videos required or anything like that. And it does the Creative Commons re-uploading is not involved. So what Creative Commons is, it's whether a video is legally able to be shared or not. You don't have to worry about that. And the other thing, there's a 100-day money-back guarantee on this product as well, which is massive. And they've got world-class support too. So now you can get free viral traffic. Now, this is something you need to take advantage of, guys. This will work really well for you. Pick a video in your niche and get tons and tons of traffic to your link. You'll see when I show you in the demo how straightforward and easy it actually is. It's only 3 steps. You pick a niche, you enter your link, and then enjoy getting traffic, which is really, really straightforward. Siphoning free buyer traffic is the way to actually get tons and tons of traffic nowadays. You don't have to spend lots of time and lots of effort. You'll be able to siphon this off, and there's no video creation as well. And it's very, very simple and straightforward for you to do. So you could tap into all kinds of videos. There's videos within the Make Money Online niche. There's videos like this, which obviously have thousands and thousands and thousands of views, which will work really, really well for you, because that's obviously the niche that we're in, affiliate marketing and making money through selling software online. So whatever niche you're actually in, there's be tons and tons of videos, no matter what it is. YouTube covers all of the bases, no matter how unpopular or how different or how niche your actual niche actually is, even if it's a niche within a niche. What I mean by that, if it's health and fitness, but you do a certain kind of yoga, or you do Tai Chi, but it's all involved in health and fitness, there will still be tons of stuff on YouTube, no problem at all. Now, everyone does need traffic. So if you've got an e-commerce site, if you're a freelancer, or if you've got an affiliate marketing site, or you're looking for high ticket sales or product creation or CPA offers, everyone online needs traffic, and this is going to give you absolutely tons of it because of how popular YouTube actually is. Now, traffic can be really expensive, but this is a way around that. It can save you an absolute fortune. Now, if you're going to get ads, if you're going to get Facebook ads in particular, they can become really, really expensive, because what happens with Facebook is if you put something up online like an ad and you pay for engagement and traffic, then all of a sudden that can just ramp up to how much you want to spend a day before you've even got any sales. So you have to be very, very careful with that. Google ads can cost you money. Making videos, as you know, can cost you money. SEO can even cost you money if you get an SEO company involved. It can be very, very expensive, and this will bypass all that and save you an absolutely ton of money. And it is very easy to do, and it is a kind of what they call a set and forget piece of software, which means you set it up, it's underway, and then you have nothing to worry about, because it's just going to work automatically. It is a lazy way to do it, but if that's the way you're built, then brilliant. This is absolutely perfect for you. And it generates all this traffic on complete autopilot as well. So what we'll do now is we will have a look at the very, very quick demo, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the bonuses, and then we'll have a bit of a recap on everything. So let's do that now then. Hi, this is Michael on the dashboard for the demo of Profitz Buddy, and here is the list down the side, as we often have in a menu. We've got the dashboard, the social accounts, the channel manager, the template manager, the search engine, the keyword finder, the auto reply, and the rank tracking, and at the bottom there we've got the link wheel there. So what it basically does, it's very, very straightforward, very, very easy. You link the software to any video that you want, and when you make a comment, you can have links in the comments. And then when you've got these links in the comments, and obviously people click and comes back through. But that's not the brilliant thing about it. The brilliant thing about it is you can automate all of this. So you've also got social accounts as well, so you can link this to all your social accounts. You can import the channel as well. You've got a channel manager, and this is what you would do. You've got the like campaign here, you've got subscription campaign, video manager, playlist manager, and upload videos. You can upload any video in your niche, and then when you put a comment in, it'll actually auto reply to if someone clicks on that comment. So you can put links within there as well. It's very, very straightforward, very, very simple. And there's the auto reply template where you would actually click on that and you would set and forget it. So this could run absolutely brilliant for you. You've got a keyword finder, so you can click the keyword finder to put any keyword in that you want, which is in your niche. You can put the video ID in there and click search, and it'll find the videos that are actually in your niche, so you can actually do this. Absolutely fantastic. This could be brilliant for getting absolutely tons and tons of traffic, all legal and all totally above board. Now back to the video. And now here are the bonuses for today to go with Profitz Buddy. We've got Affiliate Marketing Starter Guide. The reason I've put a starter guide in is because I know there's a lot of newbies coming on board and there's a lot of newbies taking up affiliate marketing. So this is the perfect product for a newbie to get into, because it'll give them tons of traffic and it'll give them a proper springboard into the world of affiliate marketing. So the first bonus is here, as you can see, Affiliate Marketing Starter Guide. And the second bonus is Breakthrough Sales and Solutions. These both will give you a great understanding of how you can actually make money online. Both great ebooks, not too long. You'll probably be able to read them in half an hour to an hour, and you'll just get through everything, and they're written really, really well, so you'll be able to understand everything that they say, and you'll be able to understand affiliate marketing a lot better. And this will really, really help you guys who have just come on board. I know that there'll be people out there watching this who are seasoned marketers who'll be thinking, well, I don't really need that. But there's lots and lots of people coming on board, and everyone has been in this place. And as you can see, these are very, very simple and straightforward ebooks, which will be really, really beneficial to you. So this is Profitz Buddy, free buyer traffic direct from YouTube. YouTube has 2 billion users and 300,000 videos are uploaded daily, and it gets you traffic from all of the videos that you decide to pick in your particular niche. So let's have a quick recap of everything that we have spoken about today. So Profitz Buddy's free buyer traffic from the most popular videos that you can have, all legal, all above board, massive traffic, massive profits, quick and easy for beginners. 2 billion people use YouTube, 2 billion people have subscribed to it, which is amazing. 300,000 videos uploaded daily. Uploaded, is that such a word? Uploaded daily. Software is easy to use. It's a set and forget software, so it'll just bring you traffic constantly all the time. It automates all the work that you actually need to do. There's no creating videos, there's no editing, there's no hard work. It's as much traffic as you want, because you can constantly use this product over and over and find videos which get uploaded all the time, which is the great thing about it. Now you can get free viral traffic with this product. You can pick a video in your niche and get tons of traffic, and it goes to any link or any offer, which is great. 3 easy steps: 1, 2, 3. Pick a niche, pick a link, and get traffic. Siphons free buyer traffic with no creation whatsoever. It's all legal and ethical, and you can tap into millions and millions of buyers and viewers on YouTube, no problem whatsoever, and get tons and tons of traffic really, really easy. So no matter what you do on the internet, this will work for you. Traffic can be expensive, as you know, and this will save you an absolute fortune. It's the 24-hour lazy traffic is basically what it is. Set and forget, and you will be absolutely sorted. The demo is really straightforward, as you can see. There's a few ways to get traffic, which is brilliant. There's some great bonuses here, which will really, really help you, especially if you're a newbie. And this is free buyer traffic direct from YouTube, 200 billion users, 300,000 videos uploaded daily. Pick the videos that you want, get the traffic that you need to all of your offers and links easily, all for only $17, which is amazing. Very, very phenomenal. I think this could be great for many, many people. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the notification bell. We've got tons and tons of new videos being uploaded every few days. Lots and lots of things to help you. Lots and lots of things on SEO to start with, just to get all of the newbies on board and on the channel, so we can show you exactly what affiliate marketing is all about. Thanks again for watching. Look after yourselves out there. Take care. I'll be back very, very soon with another software review. All the best. Cheers. Michael Nesbitt from Warrior IM. Take care now. All the best. Bye-bye. See you.